If your garage door suddenly starts making loud noises, every squeak, grind, or rattle is your door asking for help, and ignoring it can wear down rollers, springs, and even the opener. Here are a few things you should check. Step 1. Lubricate your rollers, hinges, and springs, and make sure you're using silicone or garage-specific lube. Step 2. Inspect your rollers and replace cracked or flattened ones. Step 3. Check tracks and hinges, clear debris, and tighten loose bolts. Step 4. Test the opener. If you see any hesitation or jerky motion, it means the motor may need attention. And definitely don't wait until your garage door breaks, or it could cost you thousands. And if you need assistance with any of this, feel free to contact DoorPros.